Hello everyone, this is Sunila Siddiqui from Consumer Reviews, and today we are reviewing a premium training course called FIVERR Profits Academy. So, what is this course about? As we know that in affiliate marketing or online marketing, we often get stuck in a constant loop or not knowing what to do, spending money on different courses, not getting anything out of it. So this course is going to help you and teach you not just what you have to do, but also take you to the inside members area of the instructor to show you exactly what gigs they have in their product and how they earn most of their income, right? So, as I said, you'll finally learn how to become successful online delivering simple tasks using unique software. So, learn from a real teacher that has been making a living on Fiverr with simple gigs. So, as we've established that this course will be delivered on Fiverr platform, right? And the instructor is going to show you how he himself makes a steady income online. And inside this course, you will finally learn how to get your offer on a huge platform that already has millions of customers on it already. You know, here is a demo video you can check out on my channel. I'll link in the video at the end of this video. And the instructor inside will show you many ways that are shared to make money online, but most of them do not work, or at least they don't work for everyone. So essentially, knowing what not to do is going to help you and help you progress. And selling services or products on Fiverr is a method that all are able to implement and have success with. So getting the most basic things right definitely is a good way to step forward. Also, the instructor will show you his unique gig categories and niches. So most Fiverr courses show you how to set up your account and first gig. If you don't know how to do that, there are plenty of videos on YouTube that will show you how, right? But this course specifically is unique because the instructor is sharing with you the exact gigs that he himself used to make bank on Fiverr. Isn't that great and honest way to show you, giving an insight about his own lived experience. Also, you will able to get the tools and software that make selling on Fiverr a piece of cake. So many top selling gigs are successful and worth your time when you have the software tools and automation to be able to complete the gig in minutes, not hours. If you're making $5 on a gig, then you want to be sure that it is an auto deliver gig or only takes you max 10 minutes to complete. Otherwise, it is not worth a seller's time. And the instructor will also teach you all about it in this course. So, what can you expect with Fiverr Profits Academy? So, unlike any Fiverr course or training you have seen, uh, the instructor will take you by the hand and show you his own account, his very own account, and his successful gigs. He will also show you exactly which gigs you can easily tap into to start earning daily, and even the gigs that are in competitive categories with hundreds or thousands of other Fiverr sellers, and how the instructor land organic orders within days of posting his new gig. and this is worth the price of the course alone. So it's inclusive in a way. The exact tools and software the instructor used to create and deliver his gigs to his customers. So he's handing this to you on a silver platter, right? The secret tools he used to be more efficient and deliver the services and products to the customers quickly. And how to build your own Fiverr empire. So how you can take your account to level 1 and level 2 seller status, which allows you to publish even more gigs and make even more money. With all these tips and tricks, you will take action and get results. So what exactly you get in this premium course? You get 20 plus HD videos, gig research, tools and software, gig image, gig promo video, and all of the successful gigs revealed by the instructor. You will learn how to get $1,000 orders from just one customer. So image to the right shows one customer that paid $1,000 for the services, and this is just for one gig. And this is the instructor's own sneak peek from his account. And here, the instructor is giving you a sneak peek into his own Fiverr account and his earnings, net income withdrawn and used for purchases, and other analytics like earnings, average sales, orders completed in over the course of from January 2020 to December 2020. And we all know how difficult 2020 has been worldwide. And considering that, these earnings are pretty good. And again, here are earned, cancelled, completed, and new orders, or color coded, as you can see, and how much you can see that as well. So what happens to your money online dream if you continue not to take real action towards your goal? Rejection after rejection with no success, even though you have tried every other tactic on the planet to make money and get customers to buy from you. Give up if this is what you want. And the instructor is saying he knows this because you almost did. Almost. Even though he spent thousands of dollars and countless hours, he never really set a solid foundation in place that would generate sales from day one. So he decided to take action on a method that actually helps people out. And he thinks that you want the same for yourself. So why most people won't ever get there? Most people won't ever get there because they master the art of making the wrong moves, right? So as we've said in the beginning, you get stuck in a constant loop, making wrong decisions, not knowing what to do, making decisions which don't add up. So picking up the wrong strategy, spending hours, days, or even weeks running in the opposite direction. So more farther away from your goal or what you should be doing. You know, their truths are off and it's not their fault. They've been taught to believe in them, but after all, it's really not about the product. It is about the action you take. And you already know where this road leads. Running in circles, scratching your head, wondering what happened. And is that this really the thing you want to do? I think we all agree, no? So, the instructor can help you to solve your online success and the struggles you're having. For that, he has an answer actually. So here's the story. He's saying I had so many people who asked me how I did it, how I finally started making a steady income online, and if I could help them, although I'd love to, I can only work with so many people in my private coaching at a time. And luckily for me, I'm constantly booked. So, hoping and making the right move here, the instructor has allowed you to access his secret on how to generate income online, a good income online, and he created a course for you, which is this one, FIVERR Profits Academy. So now it is up to you. If you enroll into this course, you'll get access to all of the instructor's top selling gigs. You'll get a hand-holding step-by-step wizard that guides you on the right path to your FIVERR success. You'll get access to almost 3 hours of course content that will help you succeed on FIVERR. You'll get all the different software that I use, I means the instructor, to crush it on FIVERR. You'll eventually write your own success story on FIVERR. Yes. And this is essentially the one solution that you've all been waiting for. If you hire a private coach on one-to-one basis, this would cost you a minimum of $5,000. But today, it's yours for a fraction of that. So imagine 5,000 and imagine the price I'm going to tell you now. So all that content is worth about 5,000, and the instructor is offering it to you, the one-time fee, for $17, and which is pretty cool, I would say. So, coming from someone who's already experienced on FIVERR platform, this is not just a theory, this is real, and the instructor has have the knowledge and proof to back it up. So if you enroll today, the price is $17 only, and the regular price, as you can see, is $49, right? So this is only the 5-day launch pricing, and after the launch the product price will increase significantly. So it's your chance now to get it for only $17. Now, the instructor we've been talking about is Mr. David Mills, and he has been making money online for 10 years now and wants you to see successful as well. And he creates unique courses that don't include fluff or overhyped promises and do this and get $20,000, a million in 2-3 months. No, nothing like that. But he believes that if you set your mind to something and take massive action, you will succeed, and you must succeed. So he's looking forward to welcome you inside his course. If you think FIVERR Profits Academy is something you are interested in and you would like to learn how to make steady income online, all of the things we've talked about earlier, and all of this premium course access, then go down in the description below, click on the link to buy this course only for $17 and for 5-day launch price only. So this offer will expire and the price will increase up to $47, $49 or probably more dollars. Thank you for watching my review. and I hope you enjoyed today's review. Take care. Bye.